Nice. It just keeps getting worse. Oh. But the mirror's still good. Oh. It's definitely wet. It's not that bad anymore. Oh, it's still quite soaked. But definitely putting these 2 garbage bags on top, keeping this down, has truly helped the water. I don't know, you can kind of see it's definitely soaked. This is wet. Everything is wet. I wish I would have taken a better picture because yesterday water was pouring in. You can kind of see water. Hello.
Last pictures of it? Have a look,
I cannot believe this is happening right now. Well, that's mine. Do you like my new car?
Are you serious?
I'm dead serious.
Are you dead serious right now?
Dead serious.
Congratulations!
Thanks! Thank you!
This is amazing! Wow, it's pretty. Wow.
Okay, first of all, this is Aryan. Aryan's looking at my car because he's an engineer. He's about to be anyways. What's wrong with it? Oh, like, because recently the roof, it should be behind the truck.
That's your car?
Yeah.
That's sick. When do you get a new car?
Today?
Okay. Which car is it?
It's a Buick Envision 2024.
Easy, bro. Such good shit. Come sit and say.
Okay. Kicks me out. Now this is me showing my friend Destiny. For some reason, the audio wasn't working. I think it just because it connected to the Bluetooth. She's also a photographer, shot the car, but look at her reaction. She obviously loved it. Thank you, Destiny, for shooting the car for me. No idea what this is about.
Man, what is it about? I need to look. Wait, what? Oh my god, you got a new car. Oh my god, I love it.
You had no idea?